According to the scheme, the tunnel is somewhere in that section, because in that direction lies the administrative building. So that's where we need to look for it. That's what we'll do. I hope we'll find it and continue our vlog.
Darn, heck fast. Come on, damn fast.
What was that? What was that?
There it is. Darn.
Where?
Seems
Let's go check.
just quiet. The main thing is quiet.
Looks like we got spotted, right?
Yes.
Did you hear?
Yes. Quiet. This is a disaster.
Do you hear? There, looks like a guy went. And they let the dogs out.
What?
They released the dogs. Let's get out of here. Into the tunnel or what?
Yes, into the tunnel.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm an expert on tunnels. I'll lead the way.
The buses are right above us.
I need to get a flashlight.
We've arrived. Well, just like Mom said. They sealed it. Like Mom said, sealed it.
Closed completely?
Man, even the handles are gone. Shut tight. Listen, looks like we've already been spotted.
Why did you decide?
Well, you heard it.
So what?
They let the dogs out.
Yes.
But maybe we'll get out
In terms of?
clean, without trouble.
So we're fine as it is. What's wrong?
Dude, this is a tunnel.
This is the entrance to the tunnel.
Maybe here is straight away out to the street.
What street? We're underground right now. Imagine, here's a passage, and it goes straight to the street.
Now, I'll take it off for you. You'll see it or not.
The doors are locked tight. Completely.
Super Seuss, can you somehow open it?
I don't have tools with me.
Wait, guys, let's talk seriously. Here we've reached the goal. This is the main goal of our trip today. There's the office. Quiet.
Do you hear voices?
Yes. Voices.
They're talking. What do we do?
Well then. We hide.
Where?
Let's stand here. Do you hear? They're walking, checking.
They're talking.
Looks like they figured out that we want to get into the tunnel to take Grandpa, and they got all stirred up.
Maybe. What do we do? Wait.
We wait because we still have a long way to go before reaching the exit.
Somewhere far away, they're walking around. So what do we do? Stand or sit here?
Yeah, we wait for now. It is unknown who this is.
There might be cops. There might be guards, or there might be ones like us, climbing around, and maybe those old janitors. That alarm that we want to take Grandpa, and they don't want to give him up. That could also be the case.
From the voices it sounds like they're not young. Maybe the guards are checking.
Maybe.
They might be checking the buses.
Of course.
They themselves should give themselves away.
Alright, let's go out, take a look at who it is. Let's just go out quietly. Just let's do it without noise. There seem to be some kids too. He's running on the roofs like a kid.
Let's go to them.
Let's go, it's kids climbing, let's go talk to them. Everybody stop, who's climbing there? Stop. Run. Take off now. I'll call the police now.
And now the guard will come out with a pipe.
Yeah, right. No, it's just kids climbing on the roofs. Who's climbing there? So where did they slip away?
Let's go try to rush in through the main entrance. Get into the office. I'll say that my grandpa is buried there. Let's try. Maybe they'll let us in.
Let's go. Let's ask who that is.
Where are you going to look for them?
Let's go. Let's just run fast.
Why are you yelling?
Help me so I don't fall.
Behind us, it's a bust.
Let's go. Screw it.
Let's go down. Careful, there's glass here. Damn carefully. I'm holding it. Come on, faster. Come on, quick. Uncle, some guy walked right up to the bus. Come on, damn it. Run forward. Faster, don't mess around, we're exposed. Come on, quick. Jump left into the bus. Jump in there. Come on already. Oh, damn. Come on, move somewhere, fast. Run now. Go left, get away. Come on.
There's someone there.
Who's there? There's a dog. You're going the wrong way. We need right. We got away by a miracle.
But here, that's it. We're already safe.
Did you see that? There were 7 guys. 7 big men with rebar. Did you see?
They were shouting, right?
7 men with rebar were yelling. They were banging pipes against the trolley buses.
Shall we keep moving on?
What?
Are we going or not?
Yes, sure.
But we've been spotted.
So what do we do? What's the plan? We couldn't get into the tunnel. They kicked us out.
Yes, to Grandpa. I want to visit him.
But it's guarded there.
Did you see that? How many dudes were there? Anyway, now we're heading to the checkpoint. We'll approach politely and ask if we can go inside. Because my great-grandfather worked there. They left him in his office, and we need to honor his memory, since today is a big religious holiday. So where do we go in?
Right here's the entrance.
Exactly?
Yes, sure.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, please, we saw a photo on the internet. Is this the bus graveyard here? Can we go take a look? They said if we approach politely and ask, listen, my great-grandfather worked here. He burned out at work, and they even locked his office.
What difference does it make who's who?
Have you heard of him? I just wanted to honor the memory. Today is a big holiday.
No, we're not allowed on the territory at all.
How can we make a deal?
Outsiders can't enter.
It's Sunday today.
It's nothing serious, it's forbidden. We have cameras everywhere and they're watching you right now.
It's just that place looks really cool in the photos. Do you at least sometimes go in there to take a look?
We have security both here and there. Of course we guard everything.
So it's simply not allowed?
No, not allowed. We have a gas station here and working areas too.
Is it working?
Of course, when there's a museum, then come.
All right, thank you. Excuse me. Goodbye. Have a good day.
Guys, let me at least take a photo of you here.
Can we take a photo?
What?
Take a photo.
Take a photo.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
All right then. Let's go.
Listen, so what do you think about the woman?
She probably hid it somewhere from Grandpa.
Is she lying or not?
She's lying. You can see in her eyes that she knows about Grandpa. Well, that's a big secret of the enterprise.
Firstly, that the revenue was kept there. Secondly, that they want to give Grandpa away.
This is a big secret of the enterprise. Of course nobody will want to pull skeletons out of the closet. Even if relatives came, still nobody will. The police left a real living person here alive, it turns out.
So you're saying his treasure was there too?
Well, his savings were financial.
Dude, it's just cash there.
And it just turns out like a mummy there. Really a mummy. Somewhere closed, somewhere hanging under locks. Not everything is fine.
Did we suffer a defeat today?
I believe that still,
We will achieve our goal.
despite the fact that our higher goal was not achieved, sometimes it is higher precisely to remain unattainable. And the path of overcoming different obstacles on the way to this goal is sometimes the most important. And today we gained new experience which made us better, broader as personalities.
I understand you.
And overall I felt some kind of development.
I'll put it this way, the higher goal wasn't reached, but the lower one was. I stole a cool mug, and I also grabbed some decent sneakers for myself. So the higher wasn't achieved, but the lower was taken.
You're like a pirate.
And that's good, at least I scored some sneakers.
Yeah, I left a little stash with the new album of the Fire Band.
So I took it.
This is also one of the goals. What?
I took it.
Come on.
I'll say that I won.
So basically we saw where it's kept. I don't advise you to break in there. Just know that it's there. And then it's up to how it goes. Hey guys, what are you climbing around there?
Whoa, Super Seuss. Damn, that's crazy.
Were you climbing around?
So what?
And look, bandits are crawling out too.
So what? Did you hear what they were shouting at you there?
Yeah, we were shocked.
And we thought you were guards. Damn.
And we thought you were guards. I fell off the minibus.
Fell?
Yes,
Didn't hurt yourself anywhere?
I got hurt.
Is healing.
Fine.
Alright, just make sure you climb more safely.
So who are you? A blogger?
Say, subscribe.
Yeah, do you know Super Sus?
Yes, I know.
Here he is now with us. Subscribe to Super Sus's new channel.
Yeah, we're filming a video.
Well, alright, yes.
Alright guys, thanks a lot. We're off. Good luck to you.
Come on, guys.
Bye everyone.
Look how many of them, a whole movement.
Alright everyone, salute, goodbye.
Yeah, they've got a crazy movement going on.
And the granny doesn't know anything.
So that's how we finished. They didn't accept a damn thing. We didn't find Grandpa, but we'll definitely come back there someday. The most important thing is that we weren't caught and once again got away clean. Thank you so much, Anthony. It's really awesome. Let's go eat now because my appetite has already built up. And by the way, I've already delayed my lunch by an hour, so that means 1.5 portions.
Great walk. So, listen, there's this merch thing, you buy some t-shirt, socks, stickers, whatever,
Or bags.
any item, and you can win the same kind of walk with Super Sus and be in the vlog.
Yes, cool. Imagine.
As someone who already won this, I can say, it's really good. Well guys, thanks to you for taking me out so well. Now in turn I also want to thank you. Feed you with tasty, hearty vegetarian food at our place Orangutan. Let's head there.
Will they let me in?
Of course they'll let you in. I've prepared the tastiest stuff for you. Come on, jump in.
Are you gonna eat?
No. I'm gonna munch. Look what a fool this is. Did you draw it?
Check it out, you're tuned into the home of gangster rap. The place the music breaks and the stories break. Of course it's Radio Los Santos. We're the sound of the street, man. So make sure you keep it locked, cause we keep it real.
Thanks friends for watching this episode till the end. Subscribe to Super Sus's new channel. I hope the guys will be able to win back the old channel from YouTube. Please hit likes, share this video, and just enjoy watching all the new Super Sus vlogs.
Well guys, everything's fine. Like if they don't restore the old one, we'll make a new one. That's how it goes. Don't forget we've got promotions running on supersus.shop.
На сайте supersus.shop
And you can win a vlog shoot.
Ah!